New 2019 Honda HR-V turbo engine offers the best machines on HR-V because it delivers two different types of machines. The engine 1.8-liter, 16-valve, SOHC, i-VTEC, 4-cylinder will be present for HR-V, which will be marketed North America and Canada. This machine is very reliable, can generate power up to 141 horsepower at 6,500 RPM. The torque contained with this machine is 127 pounds-feet at 4,300 RPM. This car has a value displacement up to 1799 cc and also equipped with multi-point programmed fuel injection system PGM-FI and Eco Assist system that makes the engine more fuel efficient and fast. As for other types of engines using 1.5-liter, which is capable of producing 120 horsepower and torque reaches 115 pounds-feet, and Honda explained that the difference in the provision of engine specifications is the demand of the automotive market today. 2019 HR-V will use two transmission systems, namely 6-speed manual transmission empty and also continuously variable transmission CVT. There is no plan to change from front-wheel drive to all-wheel drive, so HR-V will continue to use FWD for 2019. Econ mode button will come with more responsive devices. Overall, the combination of engine, exterior and also a qualified interior will make 2019 a new color for HR-V.